from NAVC 2017. ITN wants to show you a large-scale deployment of its Purse application. Here at NAVC, we had about 14,000 people that were issued a badge, and in that badge, we actually included a purse for each day that contained value, basically dollar value, that each attendee could use to actually go and buy food, mostly for lunch. There were about 30 stations, such as the ones that you see behind me, that were set up in the West Hall of the OCC Convention Center in Orlando. And each attendee could actually go to any of those stations and use the badge to actually buy food. So we completely loaded a dollar value inside each badge, and then people could actually go select the type of food they wanted and then basically pay for the food using their badge. You can see in the back some of those transactions going on. We have done tens of thousands of transactions over 4 days, processing almost $500,000 in transaction. We work very closely with the catering company here in Orlando, it's Centerplate, to actually train their staff on how to conduct the transaction. They enter the transaction on the POS, then they enter the transaction on a mobile NFC device that we provide to the attendant, and then that value is deducted from the badge with a simple touch of the badge. This process has been working extremely well, managing thousands and thousands of transactions, and the results have been quite impressive in our ability to actually offer a various selection of meals to the attendees, going away from the traditional lunchbox or the traditional sit-down lunch. So it's something that has been very well received, not only by the attendees, the exhibitors, but also by show management, because any of the money that is not used is then given out to a charity at the end of the event. So, great deployment of NFC technology using the Purse application. Another innovation by ITN International at NAVC 2017.